Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an important update for you dear students related to the ISRO scientist exam. Yes, so first of all I am talking about the recruitment here, the recruitment which was for recruitment of medical officer SD, SC, scientist, engineer, SC, technical assistant, scientific assistant, technician B, draftman B and assistant Rajbhasha. This was released on the 18th September and the last date was 9th October. We already discussed this on our YouTube channel. You can see. So I'm not talking about that the recruitment is released. Here they released the examination date because when we are talking about here, so recruitment process they mention here screening and interview in few one. If I'm talking about in the engineer here, not this one, this one. I am talking about this post. Okay, instrumentation engineering. What is this? Written test, computer based test and interview they are having here for the ME Tech, right? One more is there, this for the safety engineering also. Okay, assistant engineer. So this recruitment they are having the written test. Now they release the date also, but here you can see the recruitment is here. The detailed advertisement, the detailed notification we already cover on our YouTube channel, that is 2 months ago. You can see here, and this was the notification. You can see, dear students, right, that we already cover here. Now I'm talking about the dates. So when you will go to the official website, here you can see the date. They mention the latest notification is there ki computer based test for the post of scientist engineer SC, technical scientist, scientific assistant, technician or draftman B and assistant Rajbhasha is scheduled on the 2nd January 2025. E-admit card downloading link will be updated soon. Okay, this is the important information for you. If you guys were already filled the form, because form filling date already gone on the 9th October was the last date. So if you fill the form, if you are preparing for this one, then now you need to gear up because examination will be there on 2nd January, dear students. Okay, so here when you will get the admit card, so here we will, once we will get the notification, we will update you, but you need to connect it with this official website which is hsfc.gov.in, which is human space flight center. So you need to update through this website. Okay, or you can check time to time basis. You can check our I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel also. Once we will get the notification about the admit card, surely we will update you. All right guys, stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of important updates. Thank you.